Hello folks, today we're doing an inspection, but I wanted to share with you something, and it's kind of hard to see in this sunlight here, but see how my brick is breaking up right in through here, and you can see that it's totally falling. And look over here, you can see how far it's even fell. Now look over here and you can see down here the rot, okay? And you can see some of the mortar right here that's literally fell. If I get out of my own shade here, and you can see the mortar right in here that's even fell. Well, we got to see why this is happening. Let's jump up here, because this happens a lot. And you need to understand what's going on here, because this is something that does not need to happen. So this is my brick, as you can see. And then you can see it's literally falling away from the house. Well, look at look right up here. And you can see where this flashing is supposed to be, brick flash is supposed to be going over top of my brick. But instead, it's letting water get down inside of here. Water's getting down in here. You can see the cracks. You can see that all the way. Water's coming down in behind here and then going down to the bottom and freezing and blowing out. And it's been doing this for years. And because of that, this is why it's totally been destroyed. This is not a huge problem, because all this brick is just nothing but a facade. It's not really structural, but it is definitely something you need to take care of. And of course, we got electrical line right here, so that's another issue. We don't want water around this. Well, anyway, folks, this is what you need to be looking at when you get an inspection, and this is why we get called all the time for troubleshooting these kind of problems. That's why we do expert witnessing whenever a contractor does a poor job. Now, this one's been going on for a while, so there's nobody that's going to get in trouble. But nevertheless, this is what you need to know. Hey, if you like our videos, please hit like and subscribe. It'd greatly help us and help other folks too, so they can see and learn what you're learning yourself. Thanks, folks. Have a great day. God bless you all.